This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm just going to show you quickly how to set up and configure your stable within Prism. You can edit your profile here. You've got photo, name, how it'll be displayed, and then the other one, the key one here, is master configuration. So you can update your track work procedures, location and status, barns and box, owner groups, transport vehicles, in general. The main three are these: track work procedures and horse location. If you go into track work, you can see there's a whole heap of gear here which you can edit: pre-work, work, post-work, and groups. Groups is when you want to schedule your track work into different lots. So 4 horses go in group 1, 4 horses go in group 2, etc. To update and edit this, there's some preset fields in here already. If you want to add anything in here, you just go into the add new, type in what you want, 600 evens, click add, and then that'll go into here. And then once you do any sort of work, you'll see in the drop down that that's now appearing there. You can also do it from here, again add in whatever you want, and it'll update the drop down list. The other one here in the master config is around procedures. So you can set your own procedures. We also have a whole heap of different categories in here pre-filled. But for example, the other thing too is that you can add clear days to that. So the system will tell you if you're giving a treatment that may be in violation of the clear day rules. To do that, you just click again add new, type in what you want, and then add. Oops, did it twice. And you can just keep adding as you need to. Once that's done, you click OK, and then when you do any future procedures, come with Butte, and it'll give you a warning. If your horse is running, it'll also say when it's running, and make sure that you're not in violation of those rules. The last one, just quickly, is setting your horse location and status, which is important for doing day rates and obviously knowing where your horses are. So you just add in whatever status you want, location you want, sorry. And then that updates. You can also update status. So there's a setting here that's standard. You can remove the ones you don't want. And add in any that you do. Then the last bit here is that if you can actually link these. So Eagle Farm training. And then in the finance section, you can allocate day rates to these locations and status, which I'll show you in another video. Once that's all done, you can then go through and update all of your horse locations and status. Make sure you select the date when they came in. We can also do this for you. If you want to send us a file, we can upload it as part of your setup. And then what it does is it starts calculating all the days that has been at that location and in that work. So you'll see the day rates being calculated from that period onwards, which I'll show you in another video.